this is Julie from the Paper Haven, and this is a quick video showing you how to re-ink your ink pads from Stampin Up. We sell these classic Stampin' Up ink pads that are £7 each, and then we also sell the re-inkers, which are £3.50 each. Now, you don't need to buy them. When you buy an ink pad, you don't need to buy the re-inker. It's useful to have if it's a colour that you are using a lot. However, if you purchase the in colours, which are our seasonal colours that only last for a couple of years, I strongly advise that when you purchase the ink pad, if you love the colour, you also purchase the re-inker, because these can sell out pretty quickly. Okay, so as you can see, I don't think this really needs re-inking very badly, but you can see it's sort of faded a little bit, and there's a little bit of excess ink around the sides. Yep, I hope you can see that. Now, I'm just grabbing something. What I do is you unscrew the re-inker, and then I go over squeezing, and I go down and go across from side to side, trying not to leave too many gaps. And then I would go across the opposite way. And then I would let the ink drain into the ink pad. Now you might think, oh Julie, you're going to get lines now. I usually take an old bone folder, I don't know which is my oldest one, but this ink is water-based, so you can wash it, and then I would press this down. You can see the ink. There is a little bit coming off on the bone folder, but I can wash it. But I'm just going to press it down into the ink pad. And the lines have started to disappear. And the ink is soaking into the foam pad. Okay, and there we have. I've re-inked my Pool Party ink pad. Memento Black ink is another ink pad that I use quite a lot. This is a much smaller ink pad, and our re-inkers look like this. And this is a felt pad rather than a foam pad, so it's slightly different. And you will see the ink absorb straight into the felt pad. And I'm just going over like that. You can hardly see the lines already. And just go over like that. I don't use the bone folder for this one. And this is exactly the same for when I re-ink the stays on as well. So that was the Memento Black. Hope that's helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye.